Isa si dating DPWH Secretary Rogelio Babe Singson sa sinasabing bubuo sa independent body ni PBBM na mag-iimbestiga sa flood control scandal. At kaugnay niyan, makakausap natin si Secretary Singson. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Sec?
Good evening, Corina. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Kumpirmado na po ba na kayo po'y isa sa bubuo ng independent body na ito ni PBBM?
I'm not sure because I was asked and I said if the president thinks I can help, I'm open. But until that is made a formal announcement, I'm sure marami din kino-consider iba.
Ayun. So, pero natanong po kayo at hindi pa opisyal.
Yes, I was asked if I will make myself available. And I said if the president thinks I can help, I'm okay.
Yes, sir.
But of course, the final decision is all up to the president.
Opo. So,
Yeah.
Secretary Singson, meron na po, sigurado umaandar na po yung inyong utak, ano po, where you're going to start and where it should end. So, ano po ang simula? Kung kayo po ang tatanungin, paano po sisimulan ang lahat ng investigasyong ito sa 15 contractors pa lang po na top?
Yes.
Who are not necessarily guilty of anything yet until uncovered. So saan po kayo magsisimula?
Well, I'm happy that Secretary Vince started the ball rolling. No, with all the names that have come out of the House and the Senate, merong ng clear violations in terms of procurement, in terms of clearly anomalous, graft-ridden transactions have been found. No, so. As I said, I'm happy that Secretary Vince started the ball rolling, identifying people who should be charged for plunder, at the very least, because most of these transactions are all beyond 50 million. And when you charge someone with plunder, it has to be beyond reasonable doubt. And apektado lahat, no? Kahit sino, kahit private sector, no? Tangay dyan. No?
Opo. Kapag plunder,
Yes.
ano po nga ba ang katapat na parusa kapag ikaw po'y napatunayang guilty of plunder?
I think forever jailed.
Ayun, parang okay, reclusion perpetua, kumbaga.
Yes.
Okay. Kayo po ba'y nasya-shock doon po sa pagbagsak ng mga pangalan, ano po, ng mga contractors, ng mga miyembro po ng lehislatura?
Oo nga, in fact, I was following some of the hearings and I think if I'm not mistaken, they mentioned as much as about 60 plus congressmen are also contractors. No? And I see some of the congressmen were former contractors. No? So napakaliwanag na may koneksyon. No?
So, kapag binanggit po halimbawa ang pangalan ng isang senador o isang congressman, paano po sa inyong palagay ito'y mapapabulaanan? Because everyone is considered innocent until proven guilty. Paano po ngayon nila patutunayan na hindi ito totoo?
Well, unang-una may paper trail. No? Clearly, yung sa insertions pa lang makikita na kung. And we have identified more or less yung saan may insertions 1 billion and above. No? We have that information already. Anong distrito and so on. No? So talagang there was a conspiracy involving DPWH, members of the House or the Senate, and contractors. No?
Okay. So,
Talagang nagkaroon ng connivance, nagkaroon ng talagang nagkalutuan. No?
So,
they threw
yes.
away all of the government rules on procurement, identification of right projects, right costs. They threw it all out.
opo. So, paper trail and money trail ang kailangang mapatunayan.
Hindi naman lalabas yung pera niya na walang transaction document.
Opo.
From the time the project was identified and inserted, who conducted the bidding, sino yung mga membro ng Bids and Awards Committee, sino nag-inspect, sino nagtanggap, sino nagbayad.
Saan
All
dineliver?
of that is documented.
Saan dineliver? Kailan? May litrato ba? Yung ganon, okay. Pero yung magkatabi po sa litrato, that does not necessarily construe evidence.
Ay, alam mo naman ng Pilipino, parating pa-selfie, pa-photo, pa ganun. May celebration, everybody's there. No? So, to me, circumstantial, but not sufficient to say that person is guilty.
Galit na po daw ang tao, Mr. Secretary.
Of course. In fact,
Yes.
that's my frustration, no? Sabi ko nga, nung nasa UP kami, tuition fee increase lang na maliit. Nasa kali na kami, wala nang pasok. So, I mean, this is where I'm saying we have lost, and this is taken from Secretary Justice Stanislao, we have lost our civic mindedness. People have been so complacent, and we keep electing the same people, and then look at what they've done, no? Natulog tayo sa pansitan, let's face it, including myself.
Sasama po
Napabayaan.
ba kayo sa, mayroon po yatang mga street protests? On September 21, there will be one. Kayo po ba may balak
Yes.
sumama sa mga ganitong protesta?
Siyempre.
Ayun, okay. So, last question, sir. Conviction, parang conviction ang hinihintay ng mga tao. Sa palagay po ba ninyo, kaya po talaga ng ating sistema na magpakulong ng malalaking mga pangalan sa panahon ngayon?
Of course. Kaya pa naman with overwhelming evidence, no. Meron makukulong at meron, and I hope more are brought to justice. Hindi sobra-sobra, Corina, ang ginawa, no. Just in 1 year alone, we're talking of 450 billion pesos gone to waste.
I see. Okay. Pahabol pong tanong, pinigilan niyo po ba daw ang pag-promote kay Yusek Bernardo?
Of course, ang nangyari dyan, pumasok sa amin, but I reassigned him back to the city of Manila as city engineer during the term of Mayor Erap Estrada as mayor. So sabi ko kay Robert, sa city engineering office ka para tulungan mo ang DPWH to secure all the right-of-way and permits needed by DPWH in the city of Manila because we're doing a lot of projects there. No? So, yun. And then, to my surprise, when I left, he became ASEC, USEC in a very short period.
Ayun. Okay, may tanong po si Pinky Webb, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, Pinky.
Hi, Secretary. At siguro just one question on my end, no? Doon po kasi sa mga nagtatanong, syempre ang tawag po dito siguro web of corruption, di ho ba? Secretary Babes, sino ho ba ang pinaka nakikinabang dito sa mga corruption o sa kickback? DPWH ho ba, politiko ho ba, o yung contractor?
Pare-pareho eh. All in the same pie. Parte-parte. So, what ends up in the project, as Mayor Benji mentioned, and also Senator Ping, 30%, no? Anong mangyayari? So, in other words, 60 to 70% goes to pockets, no? And if you look at the 450 billion I mentioned earlier, you can imagine, hindi ko makompute, 70% of that went to pockets.
All right. Maraming
That's a huge amount.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras.
Let me just add quickly. No, I looked because people were asking where is the flood control master plan of the river basins. If those river master plans were only implemented, not more than half of the budget that went to flood control could have financed all the master plan and completed the master plans. Kalahati lang. Natapos sana yun.
At just to follow up, Secretary, nasabi ko na rin po ito in the past, meron nga pong opinion or editorial hinggil dyan na nagsasabi that during the Pinoy administration, meron daw talagang master plan. Kaya lang, ang naging problema daw dito sa tinawag na billions down the drain, if I'm not mistaken, ng Inquirer, ay hindi daw itinuloy. Kasi during the Pinoy administration, kung meron man daw yung master plan na yon, ay syempre during that term ay nabuo lang ata around 30%, which is supposed to be followed by the next administrations. Tama ho ba to, Secretary?
That's correct. But we had already the plans for the major river basins, no? May estimates na yan. That's why when I started looking at the data, you can go to Google, hanapin mo yung master plan for Metro Manila. Nandiyan dyan. Cagayan River, the biggest rivers. The second biggest is Rio Grande of Mindanao, no? So nandiyan dyan lahat. And completing them would only have cost about 700-800 billion. How much was allocated to flood control during the last two administrations? 1.7 trillion. No? More than enough to finish the flood control master plan of the major rivers. Okay, sabihin mo na hindi kompleto. They had how many years? More than 10 years.
All right. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, former DPWH Secretary Rogelio
Thank you so much.
Babes Singson. Thank you, sir.